So look at this. What is the meaning of median, median low, and median high in Python programming language? So as you can see here, we are importing a statistics package, and here we have defined a list called X, which, for example, suppose that these are the marks of a student from 20. And for example, in this line, we are printing the median of this list. But in order to explain what is the meaning of median low and median high, I need to explain the process that we are going to calculate the median for this specific example. So as you know, the first step in order to calculate the median of this list is to sort this list in ascending order. So it would be 0, 18, 19, and 20. So this is the first step. And the second step is to see whether the number of data that you have is odd or even. As you can see here, we have 4 data. So actually the number of data that we have is even, not odd. But because explaining the odd version is simpler, let's start with the odd version, and after that I'm going to talk about the even version as well. So let's modify this example. Suppose that this was our example, and as you can see, the number of data that we have is 3, which is odd. In this case, we will have a middle point. In this case, it is 19. In order to find this middle point, you should delete the data, 1 data from the right and 1 data from the left, and you should continue this in order to reach that middle point. For example, in this very simple example, we will delete this one and also this one, and you can see here we have a middle point, which is the median. So when the number of data is odd, you can simply find the middle point, and that's very easy. But what about the time that the number of data is not odd and it's even? So in this case, if you start deleting 1 data from the right and also 1 data from the left and continue this process, for example, in this case, we will delete this one and also this one, and as you can see, we don't have any middle point. We don't have any specific middle point. Here we have 2 middle numbers. So in this case, in order to calculate the median, you should take the average of these 2 numbers. The average of 18 and 19 would be 18.5. So in this case, if you calculate the median, you can see it would be 18.5 because here you have 2 middle points. And because you have 2 middle points, not a single middle point, you're going to calculate the average of these middle points. So far we have talked the meaning of median, but now let's talk about the meaning of median low and median high. So after doing that process, which I mentioned, we have had these 2 middle points, these middle numbers. So the average would be the median, but if you consider the lower value, it would be median low. And if you consider the higher value, it would be median high. That's very simple. So if I run the code, you can see the median is 18.5. but the median low is 18 and the median high is 19. And now maybe you raise a question, and that question would be, what about the time that the number of data is odd? So that's very easy. In that case, because you have only 1 number, that 1 middle point number would be the median, and also the median low and also the median high. So if I run the code, you can see all of them would be 19 because we have only 1 number. And here are 2 videos which I suggest you to watch as well, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.